Hi, now we will see how to install the Xilinx 8.1 software, which is a downloader for this VLSI kit. If you browse for the software which is in the DVD provided with this kit, you will find out this webpack 8.1i, which is a 8.exe file for the Xilinx 8.1 ISE. Just double click on this one. It will self extracted automatically and goes in the downloading mode. Just wait till the extraction will be completed. The Xilinx 8.1 version having the inbuilt simulator, so that we can simulate different programs in the same ISE pack. Now in this window you have to enable I accept the terms of software license. Click on next. Again same, I expect the terms of this software license and next. Same, you have to select the destination where you want to software installed and which programmer folder, which is Xilinx IC 8.1. Click on next and last one, install. Now the installing will start and the progress of this installation indicated over here, 1%, 0%, up to 100%. Just wait till it will be totally installed.